Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Akash Network token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Akash Network is a decentralized cloud computing marketplace that connects users with space computing capacity, offering a more open and cost-effective alternative to traditional cloud services like AWS. Decentralized Cloud Marketplace. It's an open source platform where anyone can buy or sell compute resources like GPU, GPUs, and storage. Proof of stake blockchain. The network is secured by its own blockchain built with Cosmos SDK, where users stake AKT to participate. Utility driven token. The native token is used for payments, staking, governance, and is burning to pay for cloud services, linking its value directly to the network usage. Akash Network project institution rating is 4.1. Akash Network token total supply is around 290.61 million and circulating supply is around 261.71 million AKT token. AKT token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Bithumb, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.